How to fix Hytale fail to connect to server. Now in this very quick video, I'm gonna show you one troubleshooting step for you to fix Hytale fail to connect to server. This is a very easy quick fix. Now if you're able to log in on the game but is not able to connect into server and you are not able as well to see the notifications and updates as to their ongoing maintenance, then here's what you can do. Pull up your preferred web browser, and on this video I'm going to be using Chrome. So what you can do is to type in Hytale servers, then of course choose on the very first one. Now this will actually allow you to check out if there is an ongoing maintenance or if the server you're trying to enter is online or not. Just simply scroll down from here and then onto the online Hytale servers, just simply click on view all. From here, there's actually a lot of pages here. But what you need to do here is just to locate the server you're trying to go in and see if that current server is online or not. And that's it. That's how you fix Hytale failed to connect to server.